Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because today we are diving into an amazing world of Tableau Public. So instead of telling you about it, I am taking you on a quick tour of user interface. Trust me, you don't want to miss this journey. So in last session, we covered how to import Excel file in Tableau Public. So go through that video quickly, then we can continue here. First thing first, when you open the Tableau Public, you met with clean and user-friendly interface. On the left, you have your data panel. You can see all the columns or fields are available from the sample file we have imported earlier. Tableau Public is much smarter than the Excel. You can see these columns are divided into two sections. You can see this thin line separating these. The section below is known as the major section. You can see all the numeric fields are available in this section like discount, profit, quantity, sales. Apart from numeric fields, all other values like text, alphanumeric, date, geographic, boolean are grouped under these dimensions. There are some additional sections like marks. It helps you basically to customize your visuals by adding colors, adding text, tooltip or with the details. So other than that, here in top, you can see the file, data, worksheet, dashboard, all the menus which helps you to customize the visuals aspects. On bottom of this interface, you can see the sheet 1 and like this, you can create multiple sheets. Right hand side, you can see the show me option which automatically creates the selected visualization. We have here analytics section. This helps you to apply the analytical function like constant line, average line. We will see in upcoming sessions. So there you have it, a quick overview of Tableau Public user interface. If I have sparked your interest in data visualization, definitely give it a try. And if you already use it, leave a comment below and let me know your favorite features. I would love to hear from you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe if you want to join our little data family. Until next time, keep visualizing these data stories. And remember, numbers are just as important as how you tell them. See you in next session.